Kingdom Hearts 4 rumored to be released in 2025. Kingdom Hearts 4 is one of the most awaited games among gaming enthusiasts. However, new leaks suggest that the game has finally had a release date. The new rumors have created great hype in the gaming industry as the fans have been waiting patiently since the game's reveal in 2022. Kingdom Hearts 4 might get launched in the next year in 2025. The Kingdom Hearts series is an action roleplay mixed game combining Disney and Final Fantasy. The game follows a young hero, Sora, on his quest through battle in light of combating darkness and exploring the world. It's been 6 long years since Kingdom Hearts 3 has arrived. People are waiting for what's next. This sends an indication from Richmond's leak that Kingdom Hearts 4 might come sooner rather than later. A few fans have been rallying around this, as the last bit of information regarding the game surfaced when that first trailer dropped. There's no confirmation by Square Enix on the release date. However, now the real fans can expect a real trailer soon, possibly this summer. If Kingdom Hearts 4 hits the shelves in 2025, it will be much relief for fans who've grown restless since the game's announcement. The first game song, Reality in the Dark, was published last year with no strings attached. Fans would expect more teasers and advertorials to be released as the rumored release date approaches. Richmond also mentioned an adaptation of Kingdom Hearts in his repost. What this project has to do with the gaming series is unclear.